Hello, good to see you again. Keith Fraser, developing and talking about the theme of wanting more of you so that you can be you. And of those shrewdies amongst you, we're now on the letter E. And that's about a feeling of enthusiasm and eagerness. And what I want to talk to you about is that excitement and how to have that in your lives, not just after when you've switched your lights out after that cup of cocoa and you're going upstairs. I want to talk about how we kind of generate that excitement in our lives on a daily basis so that people want to be with us, people want to be around us, people believe in us. Why is it that you go and buy a particular brand from a particular employer? Why from a particular company? Why is it that you'll go into a particular store? Why is it that you eat particular food? Why is it that you go to a theme park? Why is it you go to the cinema? They've managed to create in a varying level with inside you an excitement. It's that excitement that gets you wanting to do something, gets you eager around doing it. And what I want to talk to you about more is around how you create that eagerness in you to be passionate about your vision, around your motivation, around what you want to do. Because if you're passionate and excited about what you want to do, others will believe in you and others will want to be with you. So to finish off, the more than theme, or wanting more of you to be you, is about excitement. If you've liked what you've heard, if I've generated some thoughts in you around how to get you more excited so that people want more of you, press the like button, subscribe, and we can chat about it more.